The Brave Twins and the River Monster. Long ago, in the peaceful village of Ajat, lived brave twins named David and Daniel. They were different in many ways, but they shared one special quality: they always worked together. One morning, the villagers heard a terrible roar coming from the river. A huge monster had appeared in the water, blocking the only bridge that connected the village to the farms. Everyone was frightened. The village chief warned the people, "Do not go near the river." But David and Daniel knew that the villagers needed the bridge to reach their farms and collect food. "We must find a way to solve this problem," David said. "Together," Daniel replied. The twins carefully approached the river. They discovered that the monster was not attacking anyone. It was trapped beneath a huge fallen tree and was roaring because it was frightened and in pain. David distracted the monster by speaking calmly to it, while Daniel searched for a way to move the tree. Soon, Daniel found a strong rope near the riverbank. He tied it around the fallen tree. David called several villagers to help them pull. "Pull together!" David shouted. Everyone pulled the rope at the same time. With one enormous effort, the tree moved away, freeing the monster. The river monster looked at the twins and made a gentle sound. Instead of attacking them, it swam peacefully to the other side of the river. The villagers cheered. The monster had been frightening everyone because it was trapped, not because it wanted to hurt them. From that day forward, David and Daniel became known as the Brave Twins. The villagers learned that problems become easier when people stop fighting alone and begin working together. The twins smiled at each other. "We did it together," Daniel said. "And together, we can overcome anything," David replied. Moral: teamwork can defeat any obstacle.